there is the finished product. There's floor cutters there. It's beautiful.
Jesus. All right. Oh, there it goes. That was way too tight. Huh. What the? No clip? Look at all this. Intake. Yeah. Sick. What do you think, Meek? First start, cold start. Let's see how she does. Not bad. Smooth. Oh, wait a second. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's cold start. Feels like an EVO clutch. Yeah.
Fucking creeping out on me, man.
Best way to do it. Scaring the neighbors. Bro, you know whose car this is? I think I just figured it out. Just got Carlo here doing his promotional stuff for the shop. Alright, first things first. Try not to rip the front lip off getting out the driveway. See how this goes. Ooh, got it. No scraper. Alright. First test success. It's got a nice spool. vibration at higher speeds on the highway, and was pulling to the right really hard when, you know, when you let go of the steering wheel and just kind of let it do its own thing. So assuming it's going to need some alignment adjustments. I already noticed that the passenger side axle was blowing grease everywhere. This thing feels pretty good though. Test of time getting on the highway. Not right this second. Next turn. Oh, there it is. There's the wobbles. 50 miles per hour. We got this. Yo, that is bad. That's 70 miles per hour right there. Yeah, so I'm on the highway now. 65 miles per hour, say pulling hard to the right, and that wheel is jumping. Overall, it feels good. The power feels like an EVO 10, stock EVO 10 pretty much. Has some nice spool, the lower RPMs. At low speeds, this car feels pretty good. It just needs an alignment, I think. Obviously the axle too, we'll get it up in the air. Check out all the other bushings and tie rods and everything else on it. Can't go too crazy here. We're in a school zone. So, all right. Love the way that turbo sounds. All right, back from the test drive. Oh, thing's a pretty cool car though overall. Must have been hell driving back from Washington.
Washington, yeah.
Washington,
yeah.
With that much vibration. I mean, it's really hard to drive this car over 55 without it just pulling out of your hands to the right and also shaking really bad. So I'd have to imagine these tires are probably pretty cooked from you know, 1,000-mile plus drive all the way down the coast. You know, the axles, tie rods, all that stuff are definitely going to be shot.
Abnormal wear.
So, you know, that's what we did a test drive for. So now, you know, we'll get the car up in the air after we finish that EVO. And
Where's he?
and kind of go from there. But I don't know. I think overall, a customer got a good deal on this car. It's a good looking car. These are good looking. You know, the EVO 10s are totally different from the 8s and 9s like there. But this
Wires.
right here is just,
Oh fuck.
man, it's ugly. It hurts opening
Yeah.
hoods and you know, seeing this kind of stuff.
The headlights. That's probably how.
No. Well,
Oh what?
the old limp D, the
Yeah.
limp D filter trick. So I mean, it's so easy just to get like proper
Like brackets.
pieces or just put a bracket on it, you know.
For the stock box or something like that. That way
Yeah.
at least like, you know.
At the very least.
Yeah.
But little things, you know.
I wonder if it has like any major body damage. I've seen the episodes, the video that when he picked up the car. I think somewhere in San Diego or something.
Really?
They went all the way down to SoCal to pick up this car for I don't know how much.
Where did this thing
It
originally
is-
come from? You guys tell us. Is it San Diego or is it
LA.
just LA?
I think somewhere around there, dude.
So
And then like I mean, they drove it back. They actually drove it back to Washington.
from San Diego to Washington?
Yeah, they drove it back.
Damn, how was
But
that
they had,
trip?
I think they had a trailer too, because they picked up 2 cars. I think look, it's a good platform. I mean, the wrap is good.
That
you
looks
know.
really good.
I like the color.
Yeah.
So I just a lot of it's gonna be like it's probably on lowering springs or something. Let me see. Yeah, it's on like lowering springs. Looks like it. So
All right. Well, that's enough of this one. I gotta get this clutch job finished on this other Evo here. So I'm gonna move some cars around. Get Jackie's clutch done. Got the Evo up in the air. Carlo pulled it in. Got it on the lift. Let's see.
it's alright. I mean, look at this. Oh yeah.
It's the wrong
boot.
bolt altogether.
Yeah, the drain plug is the wrong one. Looks like it's banged up, so I would definitely recommend getting a new oil pan.
Yeah,
Get a new oil
definitely.
pan.
Axle. That's disgusting, dude.
Yeah, definitely axle.
Both sides, yeah, not as bad, but it's coming out there.
Alignment for sure. Then we'll check the wheels, make sure. I doubt if that's hub centric. And it's probably out of balance too. You know.
That's a lot of weight.
Yeah.
That tie rod's done. Tie rod, this one's okay. That's Megan's. ETS exhaust. Catless. Damn. Flattened. Diff looks alright. Let's see. Yeah, that's old.
I like the calipers though. You did a good job on powder coating that thing.
Yeah, the calipers look good. I mean, this thing, I gotta watch that whole video and see what it was like when he started it, I guess.
Yeah.
Because it did look pretty bad.
Yeah, it was.
And I mean, in comparison, it's a good looking car.
Yeah.
What wheels are these?
It's probably like I don't know.
Anybody?
Could be some bar stones or something. Or not definitely not rotor, but I don't know. Looks like a different.
Alright. Well, I don't know. You guys let me know what you think if that lives up to par with with what you see. What do you think?
I mean, it's not bad really. There's no rust too.
Right.
I mean, there might be some surface rust here. If it's from SoCal, it probably stayed is I think San Diego, but it was just like surface rust. And these like the boots and the axles, these are common.
Yeah.
On it. And plus this car was it was in Washington too, so it was in the snow.
Some salted roads.
Yep. So
Exhaust gaskets.
yeah, I've seen the videos. It's not bad, but definitely needs some improvements. You can definitely, But I noticed something weird too when it started. I don't know. It's
Idles up and then drops really
no.
low.
I don't know if it was from that flywheel or what, or the starter. Like it kind of caught something. He opened up the transmission. There was a linkage that was like, it was bad. It was he opened this up. It was opened up. There was like a spring or something that was bad, but he was able to fix that.
Yeah.
But this transmission went up. I think he removed it like a few times. Yeah, overall it's not bad for the price because there's some guys selling their shit for like more. But it's not a perfect car, so that's a good platform to start.
Yeah, for
But
sure.
that's all grease though.
Yeah, that's
I would like either rebuild that axle or get a new one. Or just get a new one, like save us time too,
yeah.
and just like
Clean the mess up.
Yeah, there's a lot of shit there. Oil pan too. This is not the correct oil drain plug too, so this will probably work for another oil change, and after that, it's already foobar.
Yeah. Fubar.
Yeah.
Fucked up.
Beyond repair.
Beyond all repair. Maybe if we had an EVO, we'd get as many views.
Well, we have the 9, but well, time attack when we do the time.